Hello and welcome guys to our channel Quick Guide. Today I'm going to show you how to add photo in TikTok videos. So before starting this video, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also hit that bell notification button so you will be updated with our latest videos in upcoming days. So now let's get into it. First, let's open the app TikTok. Then then start recording a video as a regular. Now start recording a video as you make videos on the TikTok. So click on this button, then you can just start making a regular video. Just wait. Okay, now click on this option effect over here, then then you can see this option over here which looks like a gallery, so click on it. Then now you have photos available in your device, so let's click on this photo. Then okay, done like this. And then let's do the regular one like this. And then okay, now you can do the next and post the videos in the TikTok. So that is how you add the photo in TikTok videos. So thank you guys for watching this video. See you again in another episode of Quick Guide. Until then, have a great day.